sa ating mga future award-winning journalists, meron lang akong dalawang paalala sa inyong lahat. Hindi ko na pahabain yung aking speech. Gusto ko lang maalala ninyo ang dalawang bagay sa pagtatrabaho ninyo at sa pagpupursige ninyo sa inyong interes at karera sa journalism. Unang-una, kapag opinion ninyo ang sinusulat ninyo, never assume anything. Huwag ninyong ipaghalo ang assumption at opinion. Magkaibang bagay yon. Pangalawa, never print or post or circulate something that you know is not the truth. Huwag ninyong gawin na sirain ang buhay ng ibang tao, sirain ang imahe ng iba't ibang organisasyon o ng mga tao sa alam niyong hindi totoo. Never assume and don't lie sa inyong trabaho. Yan lang ang gusto ko na maalala ninyo. And I wish you all good luck in the competition, and we all want to see you as award-winning journalists in the future, not just for national awards, but of course, for international awards. By the power vested in me as the Secretary of the Department of Education, I hereby declare the 2024 National Schools Press Conference open.